Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful and easy baby blanket pattern. It's front view of my pattern and this is back view. For this pattern I used 3 colors of Alice Baby Best yarn and 3.5 millimeters hook. This pattern is so easy and all you need is only chaining, double crochet and single crochet. If ready, let's get started. For the beginning, I make a slip knot and then chain a multiple of 6 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and when I reach desired width for my pattern, add more 5 chains. I made 23 chains, and now yarn over, skip first 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and insert the hook into 4th chain from the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. These 3 chains count as first double crochet, and this is second double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into next chain and make 1 double crochet into that. Okay, now I have 3 double crochets at the beginning, chain 3 and skip next 3 chains of starting chains, 1, 2, 3, and make double crochet into each of next 3 chains. Yarn over, insert the hook into 4th chain and make 1 double crochet. Then make a double crochet into next chain and make double crochet into the next. Okay, I have 3 double crochets. Again, chain 3 and skip next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and make 1 double crochet into next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. And repeat that sequence. Chain 3, skip next 3 chains and make 1 double crochet into next 3 chains. I repeat that until the end. At the end of first row, I make 3 double crochet and don't complete last stitch. Grab the next yarn and pull through these 2 loops and chain 1. Now for next row, row 2, chain 3 and turn the work. In this row, I want to skip these 3 double crochets of previous row and go back to starting chains here and make 1 double crochet into each of these skipped stitch. Okay, yarn over, insert the hook into first chain after these 3 double crochet and yarn over, pull up a loop, make a double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into next chain of 3 skipped chains and make a double crochet and then make 3rd double crochet into next stitch here. Okay, chain 3, skip next 3 double crochets and again make 1 double crochet into each of next 3 starting chains. Okay, insert the hook into first chain and yarn over, pull up a loop and make a double crochet, insert the hook into second and make second double crochet and make 3rd double crochet into next chain. Again, chain 3 and skip next 3 double crochet of previous row and make a double crochet into each of next 3 starting chains. Okay, I repeat this sequence until the end. At the end of second row, after these 3 double crochets, chain 3 and skip next 2 double crochet of previous row and make a single crochet into this chain of turning chains. Okay, but don't complete that. These 3 chains count as first double crochet, and I make a single crochet into that, but don't complete that, and grab the third yarn and pull through these 2 loops to complete last stitch, then chain 1. For next row, row 3, chain 3 and turn the work. Okay, in this row I want to skip this chain 3 space of previous row and go back to row 1 here and make a double crochet into each of these 2 double crochets. So yarn over, insert hook into this double crochet of 2 rows below and make a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into next double crochet of 2 rows below and make another double crochet. Okay, I have 3 double crochets at the beginning of this row, such as first row, then chain 3 and skip next 3 double crochets of previous row and go back to first row and make 1 double crochet into each of these 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Again, chain 3, skip next 3 double crochets of previous row and go back to 2 rows below and make 1 double crochet into each double crochet and repeat this sequence until the end of the row. At the end, after these 3 chains, skip last 3 double crochets of previous row and make 1 double crochet into each of last 3 double crochets of 2 rows below. 1, 2, and this is last stitch. I make a double crochet, but don't complete that. Grab first yarn again and complete this stitch and chain 1 to secure that. For next row, row 4, chain 3 and turn the work, and I want to repeat row 2 here. I have to skip these 3 double crochets and go back to row 2. Actually, I go back to 2 rows below and make a double crochet into each stitch of row 2. 1, 2 and 3. Again, chain 3, skip next 3 double crochets, go back to 2 rows below and make 1 double crochet into each stitch. 1 and 2 and 3. Chain 3, skip these 3 chains, go back to 2 rows below and make 1 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. At the end, chain 3 and then make a single crochet into third chain of turning chain of previous row. Skip these 2 stitch and insert hook into third chain and make a single crochet, and again change the yarn, grab second yarn again and complete this stitch, then chain 1, chain 3 and turn the work. And I have to repeat these 2 rows, row 3 and row 4. And in each row, these chain 3 spaces are placed into the work. Okay, you can see these chain 3 spaces is not appeared. Okay, you have to repeat these two rows, row 3 and row 4, several times until reach the desired size for your pattern. I repeat these two rows several times, and now I have this pattern, and you can see this pattern is suitable for many projects. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.